Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to see our first problem from the basic strings. So it is reverse the string. So here we are given with a string that and the task is to reverse it. The string is represented by an array of character s, and what we need to do is perform the reversal in place with a o of one extra memory. We'll see what is in place means. Okay. So here example, here s is a string hello. We have written it as output in a reverse way, OLLEH. Exact, it is straightforward. Then let's see example 3. S is string input is HANNAH. So we need to return the reverse. So it will be HANNAH. Okay. So let's try to find that HAHN. So these two are close. This is the one. This is the exact reverse. Okay, so that is correct. Let's see the example. So let's say like string s is given with say HEALLO. Okay, this is the input string, and what will be the output? Output will be we have seen that, right? Output will be o comma l comma l o comma l comma l comma e comma h. Okay, so what is happening here? It is like a duplicate of this. Basically it is like a exact opposite of the input string. Okay, so how we can do it? So basically you need to have the uh, like a array like a replacement, right? So let's say this is the string is given, then what you'll do, you'll just replace the every character. Let's say h you will place at the end of the array, and then e will be the like the last position -1. So same way you can replace it, or maybe like while traversing you can replace it, or maybe what you can do is like you can traverse the array from the input array from the last character, and like place each character in the output array one by one. That can also be done. But what does the like the in place means is like you don't have to use the extra space. You have to replace the this output array in the same array that you had to do. You can copy it also at the end. So we'll try to see the like the basic approach to solve this, which will be a brute force approach. So how we can do it? Let's say we have one void reverse string s is given. Okay, and what we need to do is like we will take the length maybe. So what we'll do, int length equal to s dot length. Okay, so this way we'll get the length. Then we'll take one duplicate array. Okay, dupes of length. So the duplicate array will be of same length, right? It will be same length of the s, because we are just reversing the same string. Okay, so it will be same. Then what we'll do, we'll just traverse through the our main array. Int I equal to 0, I is less than length, or I is less than n minus 1, right? Length -1, that means length -1 will traverse it. Then I plus plus. Okay, then what we'll do inside this, what we'll do like we have to create this output, nothing but a dupes array here. So we have to create this. So what is the logic behind this? Let's try to find it out. That we have to write it here, and we have to like replace all the like the all the string characters in a reverse order, right? So let's say what we are doing here. So let's what I'll do, I'll take it up, then we'll just realign this. Okay, I hope now it is aligned. So h is replacing at the end. Okay, so what is the array length? It is nothing but 5, right? Array length is nothing but 5. HELLO. Okay, array length is 5. array length in this case. So H is at 0th level and O is at 4th level, like 4th index. H is at 0th index. So what we are doing, 0th index in H, 0th index we are replacing at the 4th index in the dupes array, right? H is replaced at the 4th. Then E is at the which level? E is at the 1 index, and it will get replaced at the 3rd index. This is correct, right? Then our L, this L is at the 2nd index in the original string, and it is getting replaced at the 2nd index, right, in the duplicate string. So this is like a original, and this is like the duplicate, right? So we'll just separate it out. Correct. It is clear till now, right? Then we have cleared till 2nd index 0, 1, 2. Then again the 3rd index we have L, right? L is getting replaced at 1st index in the duplicate array, right? And then the last index is O. O is nothing but this O is getting replaced at here. So 4th index in the original array is getting replaced at 0th index. So we have to find out the logic behind this, like how we are doing it. It is nothing but we can say n minus I minus 1. We have seen this in previous problem also, right? N is nothing but the array length minus I is nothing but the 0 minus 1, right? So this is how we are replacing. Basically at the first level I is 0, right? N is 5, right? So 5 minus 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 4th. So first character, that is nothing but H, will getting replaced at the 4th index in my dupes array, right? So what will write? Dupes of n minus I minus 1. Okay, so this is my dupes array will have original array's ith element, right? So original array is nothing but S of I. So this is how what we'll get dupes array at the end of this for loop, right? This array we have got. Now we have to put everything in the original array because it says we have to do it in place, right? So what we'll do, we'll run one more time for loop for I equal to 0, I is less than length, okay, and length minus 1 and I plus plus, okay. And what we'll do s of I equal to dupes of I, right? So here we have to just replace it. We will traverse to every element one by one and we'll just replace dupes of I into s of I. This is how we'll get our like the output in this way. So what is the time complexity here in this case? It is nothing but we are running 2 for loops separate, okay? So it is nothing but 2 into O of n, correct? And what is the space complexity? We are using a separate array dupes, which is nothing but of a n size, like a length, like whatever the length of s. So it is nothing but O of n, right? So but this is like a brute force approach. We'll try to see the optimal approach for this particular problem. Let's see the optimized approach. So here we have like analyze, like it is nothing but, let's say if we are given with an array with HELLO, so what we are doing is nothing but like replace H to O's place and O to the H place, right? Same way E to the L's place and L to the E's place, right? And at the end, if L is remaining, this will remain, so we'll keep it as it is, right? This is what is happening in the reverse way, right? O is getting replaced with H, H is getting replaced at the O's place, then E is getting replaced at the L's place, and L is getting replaced at the E's place, and L, the middle one, will stay as it is. So can we say, let's say if we take 2 pointers, left and right, okay, what we'll do, like if let's say we'll write it down here. So if I have H, E, L, right, and O, okay, so we'll start with the left pointer here and right pointer at O's place, okay. So this is my first iteration. So what will happen, H will get replaced at the O's place, and O will get replaced at the H place. So what will happen, I'll remove H and I'll replace it with O, and I'll remove O and I'll replace with H, and right now my left pointer is here and right pointer is here, and after replacement what I'll do, I'll increase left to E and I'll decrease right to L, okay. Same way E will get replaced with L, and L will get replaced with E, okay. So what we'll do, our left pointer is here and right pointer is here, okay. So here I'll do replace this with L and I'll replace this with E, and now my left will increase by 1 and right will decrease by 1. So right will come here, so both are pointing to L, okay. That means we will stop here, okay. And we already got our reverse string or not, let's compare. So hello was the string, so H is coming here, E is coming here, to L, 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 and at the end O. So we have got our reverse string, okay. So what will be the code for this, let's say void reverse, and we have some array S, okay. So what we'll do, inside this what we'll do, we'll take int left, okay, int left as 0, 0th index it will start, then int right, it will be nothing but my length minus 1, okay, length minus 1 it will start, right pointer, right. And after that what we'll do, if left is less than right, if left is less than right, then what we will do is we will swap, what will swap, we will swap S of left and S of right, correct, we'll do that. So here you can use any, like you can write your customized swap function, or you can maybe like take help of any Java collection or something like that, okay. We'll just swap it, and after swapping we'll do left plus plus and right plus plus, correct. Or maybe you can write like you can directly swap the things using some like a temporary character also, so that can also be done instead of this, okay. This is how you'll complete your for loop, basically not for loop, sorry, your reverse function. So that is how you can optimize it. And why we can say it is optimized, let's try to find out the space complexity. So what is the time complexity first? So what is the time complexity here? So we are reversing like the entire string using the like traversing half of the string only, right? Till now only we are traversing. It will be true in every like example, whatever example we will take, because we are using the 2-pointer approach. So both the pointers will meet at the middle of the like whatever string you take, okay. So we can say O of n minus 2 can be our time complexity, right? And space complexity, what is the space complexity? Are we using any like any other string to store this, or any duplicates similar to this? No, we are doing entire traversing and reversing within the same input array, right? So we can say O of 1. So this is like our optimal approach to solve this particular problem.